弹钢琴，弹钢琴，弹钢琴。
Play the piano.
Play the piano.
他喜欢弹钢琴，他喜欢弹钢琴，他喜欢弹钢琴。
He likes to play the piano.
He likes to play the piano.
他一边弹钢琴一边唱歌。他一边弹钢琴一边唱歌。他一边弹钢琴一边唱歌。
He played the piano and sang.
He played the piano and sang.
他会弹钢琴又会唱歌，让人羡慕。他会弹钢琴又会唱歌，让人羡慕。他会弹钢琴又会唱歌，让人羡慕。
He can play the piano and sing, which is enviable.
He can play the piano and sing, which is enviable.
棒，棒，棒。
Stick. Excellent.
Stick. Excellent.
他用木棒打坏人。他用木棒打坏人。他用木棒打坏人。
He beat bad guys with a stick.
He beat bad guys with a stick.
他们的舞蹈表演很棒。他们的舞蹈表演很棒。他们的舞蹈表演很棒。
Their dance performance was great.
Their dance performance was great.
他拍的照片很棒。他拍的照片很棒。他拍的照片很棒。
The photos he took were great.
The photos he took were great.
孙子，孙子，孙子。
Grandson.
Grandson.
林太太希望儿子早日结婚，她想抱孙子。林太太希望儿子早日结婚，她想抱孙子。林太太希望儿子早日结婚，她想抱孙子。
Mrs. Lin hopes that her son will get married soon. She wants to have grandchildren.
Mrs. Lin hopes that her son will get married soon. She wants to have grandchildren.
奶奶给孙子买了一个电脑。奶奶给孙子买了一个电脑。奶奶给孙子买了一个电脑。
Grandma bought her grandson a computer.
Grandma bought her grandson a computer.
爷爷喜欢给孙子讲故事。爷爷喜欢给孙子讲故事。爷爷喜欢给孙子讲故事。
Grandpa likes to tell stories to his grandson.
Grandpa likes to tell stories to his grandson.
寒假，寒假，寒假。
The winter vacation.
The winter vacation.
寒假是指冬季1月和2月期间的假期。寒假是指冬季1月和2月期间的假期。寒假是指冬季1月和2月期间的假期。
Winter vacation refers to the holidays during the winter months of January and February.
Winter vacation refers to the holidays during the winter months of January and February.
我会在寒假前回美国。我会在寒假前回美国。我会在寒假前回美国。
I will go back to the United States before the winter vacation.
I will go back to the United States before the winter vacation.
寒假期间，你们必须完成老师布置的作业。寒假期间，你们必须完成老师布置的作业。寒假期间， 你们必须完成老师布置的作业。
During the winter vacation, you must complete the homework assigned by the teacher.
During the winter vacation, you must complete the homework assigned by the teacher.
父亲，父亲，父亲。
Father.
Father.
他有一个优秀的父亲。他有一个优秀的父亲。他有一个优秀的父亲。
She has an excellent father.
She has an excellent father.
他的父亲是一名学校校长。他的父亲是一名学校校长。他的父亲是一名学校校长。
Her father is a school principal.
Her father is a school principal.
他的父亲把他教育得很好。他的父亲把他教育得很好。他的父亲把他教育得很好。
Her father taught her well.
Her father taught her well.
他和他父亲关系很好。他和他父亲关系很好。他和他父亲关系很好。
She has a good relationship with her father.
She has a good relationship with her father.
闹钟，闹钟，闹钟。
Alarm clock.
Alarm clock.
早上闹钟叫不醒他。早上闹钟叫不醒他。早上闹钟叫不醒他。
The alarm clock couldn't wake him up in the morning.
The alarm clock couldn't wake him up in the morning.
闹钟响了很久，他却没有醒来。闹钟响了很久，他却没有醒来。闹钟响了很久，他却没有醒来。
The alarm clock rang for a long time, but he didn't wake up.
The alarm clock rang for a long time, but he didn't wake up.
你怎么迟到了？你怎么迟到了？你怎么迟到了？
Why are you late?
Why are you late?
我的闹钟坏了。我的闹钟坏了。我的闹钟坏了。
My alarm clock is broken.
My alarm clock is broken.
谢谢观看。